Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and the game keeps crashing on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Pragmata crashing on your PS5 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games library, and once you're here, now what you're going to do is you're going to go on to Pragmata and you're going to click onto the options button on your controller. Once you click onto that options button, you'll get this menu here. Now what you're going to do is first you're going to click on to check for updates here at the top, and once you click onto it, it will try to find any updates, and if there are, it will update the game. Once it's done updating your game, now you're going to click onto that options button again, but now you're going to go on to restore license here. It will tell you that it's going to restore the license for the game. Once you click on to restore, then it will restore the license. It can take a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it's done with that, you'll get this window, license restored. You're just going to click OK here, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your console. Once you're done with restarting your console, now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.